The issue really is experience. So in the military, which I was previously, I was a senior defense counsel in the Army. I was in the Army for about 8 years. A experienced attorney in the Army that's doing defense work, it really does that for 2 to 3 years at most. So the most experienced people you're going to have may have 10 cases or even 15 at the most. If you've got a really serious charge, a sex assault, a fraud charge, a violent case, something that's going to potentially take away your freedom, your livelihood, and put you in prison, you really want a specialist at this, someone that's really dedicated their career to it. So as a civilian attorney, someone like myself and many others that do this type of work, we've been doing this for 10, 15, 20 plus years. I've been practicing since 2002, so going on 20 years of doing this. Just having that level of expertise is incredibly helpful. You think about Tom Brady, we look at him as the greatest that's ever been. Yeah, he's a great quarterback, but what makes Tom Brady so good in particular is he's been doing it for 22 years. He's at a level at 22 years that he simply wasn't at year 2 or year 3. And that's the same in any profession, but in particular in the legal profession when you're doing trial work. So you want someone that's been there and done that, has seen a lot of different scenarios, has had decades of experience, someone that's really dedicated their profession to it. And while, again, there are some really good military attorneys, the vast majority of them are fairly young and inexperienced. So what we like to do is we like to work with them and plug them into our team to really make the best team possible to defend your case.